Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing Redmi 7. So as you can see, this intake box. It is a global version and very minimalistic packaging. So I'm just using my pen to open this. And here is some information about phone. 3 GB. It is 3 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM, and it has also 2 GB and 16 ROM version. I'm just opening, and after opening this, here's some box and main device. Is a black color, and in nothing, power adapter. It is a not fast charging adapter. It is a normal, and USB cable. So yes, SIM ejector, and here is some paper and one clear case. It is also black, very soft. So let's come to the main device. It is 6.26 HD full screen and Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 and 4000 milliampere battery, and it has a dual rear camera. One is 12 and 2 megapixel, and front camera is 8 megapixel. As you can see, this two camera and flashlight, and also has fingerprint sensor here. The top of the mobile, here is a microphone and 3.5 mm headphone jack and IR blaster for TV remote. And right side, here is the volume key, up and down, and power button. In the bottom, speaker and microphone and USB port. In the left side, SIM tray, and that's it. I just turn it on. Xiaomi is my favorite phone brand, and it is day by day increasing their quality. It's just turning on, and I will set up United English Canadian. So set up. So here it is, Xiaomi Redmi 7. And if you like, please some thumbs up and subscribe me and to get update from me. Okay, bye.